DataGuard configuration or the main thing behind DataGuard, what it's all about. Then we will do the configuration together. As I said, what I haven't said, or if anybody has anything to add, the person should feel free. So
Can I just say something?
feel free.
So we kind of went over that last class. I feel like we're running out of time to figure out this thing because Saturdays people don't show up. So basically today is the only day we have, unless I don't know, unless someone wants to add, you want to add another day in.
Okay, so
Yes, can I say something, please?
yeah, Maunet.
I think that it's better that we should just start and then just continue with the one that we started on Tuesday, or start over in case Eamon is not there, because we are running now. We have just today, and some on Saturday most people they work and they won't be able to be there. So it's better that, and Monday is around the corner.
Okay.
Unless it's not a good idea.
No, I mean it is a good idea as long as you guys understood. But because at the end of the day, our goal is to understand. So if you guys did the explanation on Tuesday and everybody understood and everybody knows what we are going to do next, then that's fine. We can continue, or we can start from what you guys did on Tuesday. So is everybody okay with that?
So my suggestion is Desmond is not
Really?
here. Not Desmond, but Eman. He's the one that was working on it. And we had a script that we're working with. So I don't know if we have to wait for him, or I guess we can just start from scratch. I
Who
don't
are
know,
the
because the way we even did it, I don't know if we did it the right way.
who had
I
the
think we
script?
should just start from scratch going forward, rather than wait for him.
Yeah, it was said the script, well, at least I don't know if it's the right script, but that's what we're using, and it was sent into the group. We sent it to the group the other day.
Okay, so we should just start with the configuration.
United, do you have another script?
No, I don't have any script. Okay, no problem. Then I believe we used two servers, right? Two different servers. Wait. Okay, we can use one screen and two different servers, no problem. Okay. Who wants to share his screen? Because I'm not connected to my computer. Who wants to share his screen?
They were working with Emma was using my server as a standby, so I don't know if
We are starting back from scratch.
okay.
I don't know if you still have enough space for that.
I'll have to delete like that database then. Because this 12C just takes too much space.
Yeah. At the end of the day, we need two servers though, but one person is going to share the screen, but we need two different servers. So if you can go ahead and share your screen.
You have to let me share.
Oh my god, do I need
just go to share screen and
I mean I'm not even
wherever you're connected, even on your phone you can do that.
on my phone I can do that.
Yeah.
Maybe second. Okay, I think you're good.
Okay. Okay, so let me see.
Are we doing it on 11G or 12C?
12C.
Awesome. Okay, Eman is there, by the way.
Oh, he's here.
Uh-huh.
So should we just continue?
No, start
him?
from scratch.
Hello, guys.
Hi,
Hi,
Eman.
Emma.
Welcome, Eman.
Hey, Mr. Dave,
Yeah,
what's up, man?
good.
The heck is this? You know, Renata, I guess you can be explaining the data guide while I'm creating this if you want.
Okay. So anyway, there's even not a lot to say. So guys, DataGuard. DataGuard is actually an Oracle tool or a tool created by Oracle for recovery or for disaster recovery, being it natural or artificial disasters. So the main aim or the main reason why DataGuard was created was to be able to recover data in case of a disaster. It can be also used for high availability solutions. What do I understand by high availability solution? The availability in which I need my data, I can easily get it from through the data guard. So data guard is actually cloning, like the normal cloning we used to do. But the only difference is that this data guard has different physical location. Different physical location in which you can find your database. I'm going to start back. DataGuard is an Oracle tool created to in case of disaster recovery. It is an Oracle tool. It is a tool just like AWR, whatever tool you know, Enterprise Manager and all those stuff. DataGuard is a tool created by Oracle for disaster recovery. It is a kind of cloning, but this one has different physical location in which your database is. It has different physical location in which your database is. And in this type of clone, and the clone in this case is an updatable copy, or it is just a copy that is being updated. What do I mean by a copy that is updated? So after you clone the production, like the production database or your main database, any new database coming to the production goes to the updated copy. Any new database or any new transaction that comes to the production, I understand by production the main database is the production. So any new database coming to the production or any new transaction coming to the production goes to the updated copy. For example, if I have a database in Texas and another one and an updated copy in Maryland, so my production database is in Texas and the updated copy is in Maryland, and the customers in Texas in the production database, which is in Texas, makes changes or make transactions. They make transaction in the production database. Those transactions are automatically made in the updated copy in Texas. I repeat, I have a production database in Texas and a copy in Maryland. A production database in Texas and a copy in Maryland. And customers in Texas make changes in the production database. Those changes are equally being made in the copy. This is actually what is behind the data guard. And you need to know that both database can be I don't know if it's in sync or in sync. I don't know which word it is. I think it's in sync or in sync. Bref, those database can be in sync. I understand by in sync same, like they have the same information. So whenever they say the database are in sync, just need to understand that it means that they have the same information. And in the other side, if they tell you that there's a gap between the database, that means that both database have not the copy, the updated copy has not been updated. When you hear the database are in sync, that means that they are equal, they have the same information. But when you hear about gap, if they tell you that the database has gap, that means that the standby database or the copy is not updated. That means they don't have the same information, because It is not obliged for them to have the same information, but in most cases, the database are in sync for, as I said, for high availability solution. So it is not a must, but they might be in sync. And changes in the copies does not come in the source database, but the reverse is true. What do I mean by the reverse is true? The changes in the production comes to the copy, but the changes in the copy does not comes in the production database. Okay, let me stop using production and copy. When I talk about the production or the source database, I'm talking about the primary database. In this case, in database, they call it the primary database, and the updated copy or the clone database is the standby database. You need to know that the primary database or the production database is used to create the standby database. As I said, it is a kind of cloning, but with the only difference of that, this cloning has different location. So a primary database is used to create the standby database, and you can have more than one standby database. I think you can have up to 29 standby database, both in the 11G and the 12C. And you can set your system in such a way that in case of any failure in the primary database, the transaction automatically switches to the standby database. I repeat, you can set your system in such a way that in case of any failure in the primary database, the transaction or the changes automatically switches to the standby database, which is a copy or the clone database. And as well as you can also make it manually. Like you can decide to switch to the standby manually, as well as you can do it automatically. And I think Oracle recommends the both database to have the same memory, the same file system, the same hardware, the same database name, the same Oracle home, but I repeat, what does Oracle recommend us? Oracle recommends us to have the same database name in both the primary and the standby database. That means they must have the same database name. They must have the same amount of memory. They must have the same file system. They must have the same hardware. I understand by hardware, server. Server. They must have the same server. They must have the same Oracle HomePad. And yeah, I think I told you that you can have about 29 standby database. And why is this DataGuard important? DataGuard is important simply, as I said, for disaster recovery, as I told you in the beginning, for database, for data protection. For data protection, instead of having backups, as we all knew that backup was the first solution in case of any, any data loss. Yeah, we all know that backups were the first solution in case of any data loss, but Oracle introduced DataGuard. So in some cases, we use less backups and more DataGuard, and in other cases, they use more backups and less DataGuard. And DataGuard is also efficient. It is an efficient use of resources. For example, if in the primary database in which you are, you cannot have a lot of you can save resources. Why? Because for example, the backup takes a lot of, it consumes a lot of resources. So instead of having the backups, you can just decide to have a standby database in another location, so you save a lot of resources. So these are some of the importance of the data guard. I mean, I think that's even all I know about data guard. That's all I know. As I said, if anybody has something important to say about it, the person can share. Otherwise, we'll wait for Anita to finish.
Oh, are we giving them both the same name?
Yeah. You're creating both of them on your server?
No, I'm just
Okay.
I'm just editing this script.
Okay.
So I guess whoever is gonna like the other server should be creating the database. So
Yeah. Who wants to use his server as the standby database, please, guys?
I think the last time they said that it has to be the same. I think the Oracle Home should have the same path or something like that.
Oracle Home has the same path.
Yeah.
They have the same memory size, and the file system should be the same. Please, so who wants to use his server as a standby database?
Please, Anita, I have a question. Do you send the class for yesterday in the Dropbox?
Yeah, I always upload it the same night.
That's why I can't find it. Okay.
Guys, please, who wants to use his server as standby database? If you don't
Right
have
there.
2 servers, you cannot do it. We need 2 servers.
Yeah, I found it. Thank you, Anita.
Then I'll use my server.
Thank you, Emma. Okay, you can create the database. Anita, what's the name of the database?
Safari.
Okay. Okay, Emma, you can be creating the Safari database.
Maybe one of the guys should take control because they're the ones presenting, right?
Hi, everyone.
Yes, hi, Bibish. Desmond, please, can you take over?
Yes, Anita, thank you.
Right? That makes sense.
Makes sense since we talked with Renalda, everybody last time.
Desmond.
They have to take control. We are going to do it together.
Yes, I am there. I am there. Yeah.
Okay, Desmond, can you please request remote control from Anita?
Do you have the script open? I don't think you can. Actually, I guess you can. Yeah, you can access it.
I think I should have the script.
You can access it from my computer too. Yeah.
You can access
Let
it
me
from
request remote control.
Yes, boss, Desmond.
Okay.
That is what you like now, Bibish. You like me to be working.
Yes, I like it. I need men to work
You
in
like
this
me when I'm
group.
stressing.
No.
I've requested remote control, so what am
Okay,
I
you're
supposed
good.
to do
So
now?
just start moving your mouse.
Aquí c'est international.
Yeah. So what am I supposed to do now?
Did you get a message? Click and then move your mouse and see if
Oh, it is
works.
moving. I've already, it's
Yeah,
good.
DB.
Okay,
I have
try
remote
to move it.
control.
Mbote.
You have it?
Yeah, I have it.
Okay.
So what do I do next?
We're waiting. We're waiting for the database to create,
Okay.
so you can be exploring.
I should be exploring your pictures.
No, I don't have anything. So just move. Like I guess you can look at the script, or I also
Yeah.
open like the Brontech stuff. So in case you like stuff from online and.
Okay, the Brontech stuff has it has the scripts.
It doesn't really like it's. I guess you
The
can just
Bondtech
get,
doesn't have scripts. It's not a lot. It's like.
yeah, bits and pieces. Not this one.
But even Yvonne group is not easy for data guard configuration. Sometimes.
Yeah, most
It's
of them
more
get
mistake.
stuck when when you have to when the listener is not listening.
Yeah. So.
Okay, it's done now. So.
Okay, give me a minute. I want to copy the script. Perfect. Okay.
Ronaldo, please, can you let me in with my computer?
Okay. So now let me look at the script. Right. So this is script. Let me start from the beginning. Confirm your environment. Primary source. Do I do it? Do you want me to do it from Puri or from WinACP?
1 second. When they
Puri.
say confirm your environment, what do they mean?
No, I think there's already one that is open.
Okay.
Hello, guys. When they say confirm your environment, what do they mean?
Yeah, I don't even see any script to help me confirm it.
No, I guess.
I mean, what is environment? Is it confirming the fact that you're in 12, you're 11, or 11G, or confirming? I don't know.
I guess you have to. It's confirming like the information for your standby and for your primary. So the Oracle home has to be the same. IP address, or I don't think we need those. That's not part of the steps.
Yeah, it is really not part of the steps, but I think it is still somehow important to know exactly what's going on. What do they mean by? It is really not important, really, but I think we just want to know exactly what they mean by that. Don't you think? How did they get all these platform, server name, TV version? I guess none of us have a solution. So let me go down.
No, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. You cannot just go down.
This thing is long, and this is just like configuring it. Then you have other questions to answer.
Okay. Okay, you can go ahead.
Okay. Okay. Enable first login primary. This is needed, such as select name. Let me just do this. Sake of.
You have to set your environment.
Oh, it is not set yet. Okay.
Well, you have to set the bash profile.
Ah.
Underscore profile, underscore policy, all small caps.
What's the name of
Safari?
Can you increase the size of, please?
Not like that. You're still gonna need the script.
Yeah, your
Just drag
appearance.
it down.
Just your appearance.
I want to just drag it down.
Drag down and change the appearance.
Okay, got it.
Safari Beach.
You know what? Let me just connect to my other screen.
Mm-hmm.
Bold.
Thank you.
Connect to SQL. And then just paste the command.
You can't see the bottom of the screen, right? So
Right, I can't see it on there.
yes, this is on right mode. So good. Select first login. What's this command? What does this mean? This first
You have
login.
to, it says number one, enable first login. So here you want to see the status of the first login. Can you like put your screens like together so we can see them together?
Mm-hmm. So we are starting by
not like
by
that, because like once you paste here, it's just gonna.
So it's the first thing we have to do is like we are starting everything in the beginning, right, Anita?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wait, Desmond.
Yeah.
The first one where they said enable first login, you did it using which command?
This command here.
Which command?
I want to set up this thing. Select first underscore login for. I haven't.
The first step where they said enable first login. You haven't done it yet?
No, I haven't done anything.
Okay.
That's one. Hold on. Can you give up remote control for a second, please?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Hi. It's annoying. You dragged it too much, I guess. Okay, can I close this pudding?
Yeah, you can close it.
Yeah, close it and he started now.
Hey, Anita, question.
Yes.
Yeah, do you create Safari with container or it's empty container?
It's empty.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
It has to be an empty container.
Yes.
Yes, because we are.
No, no, it's not even a container. It's not like
It's not. It's like a regular database.
Yeah.
It's a non-container.
Mhm. I don't know why it's the echo coming from.
And then this one too. I don't know. I want to know. Okay. Okay. You can request. Wait, did it do that? Oh, come on. Hold on for a second. Hold on, please. Let me do this first.
Okay, feel free.
One second. I don't know why my screen does that. think we will deal with this one like that. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I need to share. Okay.
Safari. First login, no. Excuse me, but I want to know, what is this command? This alter database first login. What does that mean?
I have no idea. I just saw the command before. See, the command, this one, can you go on your screen?
Yeah, this is a script.
No, I mean the first command, did you use it?
Yeah, this is just a select command. It's nothing.
No, I mean the first one, all the way up.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's also a select command. It's just to look at what state the database is in. It really doesn't alter anything. Just a view.
Wait, I think, no, wait. I think I have something common, but it is not to use. I mean, let me see.
Oh my gosh, guys. Renata, please, can you mute me?
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Select first login from visa database. What does that mean?
Okay. So the command was, okay, you haven't put it there. That's fine.
Which, yeah, the command you're talking about?
Yeah, it was actually, you needed to select the name, the mode, and the role. That's fine. That's what I was trying to know.
That's just.
Okay, so.
Those are just views. What I want to know is what this alter database first login does. All those
when
select.
you see, look, when you check the script, it says like enable first login on primary. There is like a difference.
Wait.
Yeah, that's what it says. Enable first login on primary.
Yes. This is needed such that all change in the database are captured. So I think like.
Okay, that's fine. I understand. So you see, Desmond, when you selected the first login, right? They tell you that it is no. They tell you that it is not enabled. So your script asks you to enable the first login. So when you alter it, it enables. So when you put the select command again, you see it's gonna be yes.
Yes, I did it already. This is it, yeah.
Exactly.
Yes.
Before that, it was no. When you altered the database, it became yes. So as what the command, the script tells you to enable it. So you just wanna enable it as in from no to yes.
So now that it is enabled, what is it going to? How does it help the database in my configuration?
In case you want to do the role, is it role not role switch? Failover and what is it called? Switch over.
Okay.
I think because it enables first login to the database.
Okay, I think that's true, by the way.
Okay.
Okay, so now you want to create the password file on primary.
So
wait.
Let me look how the name of the password file looks like.
Okay, you can. No,
Is there already a password file in this thing? No.
It should have a password file. You want to check first.
Apparently.
So what is echo coming from?
Yes, it has a password file. This is your oral PWD Safari.
Okay, so then you just leave that part alone.
Yeah, that's what I was. But when they say, oh, maybe the premise is this false equal yes. Maybe that's the thing. What does that mean?
That means that it has been enabled, right? Oh, wait. That's the first thing. False equals yes. It is
This
enabled.
false equals yes. You know, let's just do it. It means something that we don't know yet, but
No.
Oh, don't put that.
Don't just do
Why
it.
is that echo? Oh my God.
I don't know. Can we restart everything or what?
Because that's what we're doing. We're restarting everything. RPW.
That speak is
What is the
everything
command
is
all
right.
about?
Well, the thing, honestly, like us going about the commands like this script is long. You see where it is?
We use
very
all
long.
this script yesterday, right? I mean, on Tuesday, right?
Mm-hmm.
But why do you have to skip now? It wasn't working on Tuesday.
Is it the same script?
It was
Yeah,
the
that
same
was the
script,
same
yes.
script. And we still have, this is the first page. We have 20 pages of this.
No, you guys
20.
are kidding.
Trust me, it's 20. I just count. I have it in my hand. It's 20 pages.
So like all these questions like about, I think we shouldn't be at, just keep going. Or we continue with the one we did, the other. Actually, I already deleted the database, but I can always recreate it.
Okay.
No. Wait. Something is wrong. The problem is that if we don't do it normally, obviously we're going to be stuck somewhere. And there's no need for us to be doing and get stuck and we leave it. So it's either we understand what we're doing and we do it till the end, or we just go like step by step.
From what I understand,
because what I think Bello had a problem with the password file and he could not do it, so he got stuck because of the password file. I remember he told it to Gaitan last class. So if we have a problem with the password file, we will automatically be stuck. And if we are stuck, we will not even be able to go till the end.
Okay, so then copy that command and just put it. Let's keep going.
She said that you should not use that one.
Okay, I'm looking at another script right now. Let me tell you what it says. They say create password file on primary. This is needed for remote authentication and must be implemented. It is needed for remote authentication and must be authenticated. Am I looking? I'm actually looking at your script.
Don't have to do it. You guys don't have to paste this command because you did not create the password file. So you don't have to use this command.
Okay, let's keep going then. Let's go to number 3.
Okay. I think Anita is in a hurry to finish this thing.
What do you mean? Like we only have today.
I know.
I don't
have any problem. I don't have any problem. What is this even?
You don't have to do
we don't need all that.
Configure
you don't need to set the
on primary the same size as the previous we do. This please don't add in standby. Ironman will do this automatically during cloning. Configure a standby redo on primary.
So do select B, whatever that is. And it's going to show you all the redos that you currently have. SQL. Okay, so now you want to create your standby redos.
Auto database. Add standby.
Oh, we need to edit that script.
You need to
You
edit
want,
the database name.
Oh, okay.
yeah, just copy that and edit to Safari.
Do you know the size of your?
It's
of
right
the-
here.
There's yeah, 52
right
for it's 50 literally.
Yeah, so you put it to 52.
So just highlight it and then change everywhere. No. Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Just pen. Just
Highlight
pen.
the pen and then go to edit,
Change it to Safari.
So let's see.
replace,
Okay.
and then replace
Good.
all. Okay.
So Renalda, are they asking $10 for that barbecue?
No.
Okay.
Are they asking anything?
I mean, the morning class contributed, but we don't have to contribute. The money Prof gave was enough.
Enter. Next one.
But I see on the dispatcher, they were saying that Silver's paying two pack of 24 beer.
No, never mind.
Prof said he gave everything to them. Gave money.
So the evening class, we just go and sit and eat for $0.
Prof
Yeah.
gave money.
Okay.
The problem is that yeah, we don't need to. I told Zoe that we are not giving anything because when Prof asked he was sending the money. As for me, the money was enough. If there was even a way I could get even $500 from that money, honestly, it was enough.
Prof gave $1,000.
He gave $1,000, right?
No, more than that.
Oh.
Are you using a mouse?
No. Slow, right?
Yeah.
So it's going to be to the same place, Renata, we went last time.
I believe, I don't know. I
Because I see the address.
It's the same place.
It's the same place. I see the address.
Yes, okay. I believe it's the same place.
Okay, so we're gonna go party there. And eating. Oh, Jesus.
With Corona, right?
Yes, on vit maintenant avec le corona. Notre voisin.
Okay. Now you want to check if the $V log file.
What are we doing right now? We're verifying the log files, right?
Yeah, select all from $V log file.
It's
going
fine.
to show you all the
Do we
log
really need
files.
to see?
It says online and standby.
Let me just select.
Let's see. C'est trop long. How many online?
Standby.
You don't have any online?
All standby.
All the way up. There's online.
Good.
Oh, it's fine.
It's true.
Now they're asking us to select this again. Do we need to? Let me just select to verify that
We have one standby.
to verify that the sizes are the same.
We have 4 standby.
Oh, how many online?
3. Why that sign come?
Oh, I keep wanting to control V.
Okay.
The sizes are the same.
Okay.
Same size.
Verify archive log mode enabled on primary. If not enabled, please do it.
Compulsory.
Just do archive log list.
Semicolon, don't forget. I think we need it right on SQL.
Enabled. So let me go to the next thing.
Take note.
Wait. What is the destination of your archive?
Should
I
be the
don't see any
FRA, right?
best.
Yeah, it's FRA. That's why I put it.
Yeah, you must have put it in the FRA.
Or Adera/FRA.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
Okay.
What does the script say? Take note what? Note of this because your archive will be sent there.
Here.
Okay.
You say slash for her data.
Set
primary
primary database
database.
initialization parameter. These
These
are
are
compulsory parameters.
that must be set up.
That must
No,
be
you
set
just
up.
go to exit. You go to your P file.
Can you do also show parameter P file there? That command.
No, that's fine.
Is there a parameter P file?
Yeah. To see what database if your database is using P file or SP file.
Okay.
In this
Okay,
case,
you
they're
can
using
see.
the
You
SP
can
file.
see your Oracle home/CBS, and you VI your P file. Set primary integration parameter.
Wait, what are you doing? You want to create the P file. Do you have the P
No,
file?
the P file is create. Wait,
Wait, maybe the P file is not there.
That's why
maybe
you
the
have
P
to
file
show
is not there.
parameter P file.
Okay.
Okay,
Why did I even exit?
I'll go back to SQL.
The SQL.
Oh, forgot to copy. SP file.
So that means your database is using the SP file. So you want to create the P file.
I can create it from here, right?
Yeah.
Wait, why is it saying just create P file from SP file? Why is it doing this?
Yeah, equal home Oracle.
Just create P file from SP file. I don't know why it's sending it to a different location.
I don't know if it's what is second? I don't know if it's the same thing. You remember when you clone, you don't create P file from SP file. That's how you create the P file. I don't know if it's the same thing. When you clone,
This is just giving
the P file equal.
Yeah, but that you're still creating the P file from the SP file. This is just specifying the name and the location.
Okay. All database set DB underscore name equal Safari.
Or actually, can you go to the WinSCP? Let's look at the P file. How did it create it?
WinSCP. Do you have it open here already?
Yes, it's open.
You can go on it through your SQL Plus.
Oh, let's forget SQL Plus for now.
WinSCP, you don't know that lock. That's the lock with the arrows. Padlock with the arrows. Padlock with the arrows.
Next to the pool.
Next to.
Okay.
In between VNC.
Sorry, guys.
So you want to go to U01.
I was not
U01 right here. No, right here. It's going to be here because this is the 12C
okay.
location.
Okay.
Oh, no.
DBS. Okay, it's right there. So yes, it created it. Okay, what do you want to do?
I don't know. You want us to do anything here?
I don't know. Look at the script. What is it asking?
It's asking us to set some parameters.
Okay.
Wait, I think your P file must have the subquery. Is there any subquery over there? I'm not seeing the P file.
Subquery for what? What is subquery?
I'm not seeing the
No.
P file this month.
Wait 1 minute.
Okay.
Well, you want me to upload to? Oh, so this is too much time.
Desmond, are you gonna arrive with this?
Maybe you want to take control, right?
This mouse? It's so
Yeah.
much better when you have a mouse.
Yeah.
No.
Maybe it's the-
Oh, we changed the name of this database.
So what? It's not Safari.
Oh,
Yeah, but the STB.
Safari STB.
It's okay. We can always just change right here and take it out.
Okay, I can just go back to the P file and delete it from there now.
You don't need. You can always just alter it again.
Okay.
Exactly. Wait a second. The log archive destination,
I think what was
the
that?
client, the server.
He said the DB unique name has to.
The system file. I think the file system has to be enabled on the P file. You have the global name, the memory size. You don't have
Okay,
any
all
clue.
that stuff is on the script.
The database unique name.
Yeah, but I
Okay,
think
copy
for
that.
this,
It's on the script. It's on the script. Let's go to
the
the script and get
database
some time.
unique name, you have to change
Okay.
it on the other P file, the P file for the standby database.
Standby.
Are we good? Okay.
Don't close it, just open it. Don't close it, don't minimize it.
Yeah. That's it. Okay,
I
so
mean,
I
that's
should,
that's the reason why I asked you guys to open it here. It was gonna be way easier.
I should alter this again. I think when you take control, the thing is a little bit it's slow. Looks
Alter
like
it where?
Yeah, on your SQL Plus, just go to your P file via your P file.
What's the
then you edit it.
difference?
it's
That's
okay.
fine.
Just going to make this first time. Okay, you people want me to alter this system and set this thing. Which
Yes.
name should I put?
Just leave it like that.
Safari.
No, Safari and Safari.
What is it? What is this log archive configuration, by the way? Okay.
Let me see if I took.
Right.
I think I took picture of this thing yesterday.
This is okay, right? Alter system set DB unique
The
name equals
unique
Safari.
name must not be the same as the database name, as what I know.
Yes, the unique name is
must not
gonna
be-
be.
It must not be the same as the database name.
Wait, where are you even working? You didn't do the. Oh, you skipped that one.
I skipped this one apparently, yeah.
Yeah, he said the unique name, that is what is gonna differentiate both databases.
So do I change the name?
Unique name is gonna but the unique name is that,
Sorry.
do we set a unique name for the other database?
You said the unique name for your primary database.
I think it was for the other database. I think it was for the standby. It must not be the same, like it could be the same. Really, I don't think there's any big difference. I think the most important is when the standby name is different. And the unique name for the standby database is
Okay,
different.
hold on. I actually took picture of the P files from his thing here. So yeah, the on this thing that you change is supposed to be a different name.
Okay. So let me put here Safari what?
So just, I don't know, just leave it like that, Safari STB. And then let's see, DB unique name.
Wait. Are you guys trying to make changes on the P file?
Yes, we're actually making changes on the
Okay.
SP5 for now, I think.
The DB unique name for this database is gonna remain the way it is, but then when we're doing for the other database is gonna change.
Exactly.
Let me send this to the group. So this is the P file he opened yesterday. I asked him to open it. Okay, so you can copy it.
And this was the P file of which database?
So he had two databases. The primary database is on the left and the standby is on the right. So I'm just comparing the two P files, and from what I see, it's like the DB unique name on the primary remains the same, but then the DB unique name on the standby is different. And when you go to the log archive config, I guess they're the same. But then, so there's the database name and then the DB unique name for the primary, for the standby.
Desmond, you skip one command, man.
No, he did that one before.
I did it before. That's it here.
So I think you have to create the
But,
directory.
Okay.
Desmond, you did it with Safari STB. Is it how you're gonna call the standby?
This one up, right? Yeah, I put
Yes.
here STB. I just want to be sure. Yeah, then we are
No,
gonna call
that's
it.
not how it's gonna be called, but it's gonna be the DB unique name. So the DB unique name is different from the actual database name.
Okay. So yeah, this alter system set log archive. Do I need to change anything here?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
We just need to remember that for when we're editing the P file for the standby.
Why did this command not work? Set archive log destination on one location equal or data slash user one. Oh, we don't have this directory ARCH.
Yeah, we don't have that directory. So you have to create it.
Okay.
Are you still in your class? How long does your class go till?
Forever.
Till 7? Because it's already 7.
Hold on.
You're good. All the system set that.
Is that location there?
Let me check. Service. That's step equal to that. Log right to that valid. I can't even see any location really. Service equal. I can't see the location.
Okay, that's fine. Can you just keep going? Hold on. No. Can we look at the whole command?
Okay. Set log archive destination in the sort 2 equal to that equal that log writer async valid for that online log 5 primary.
Yeah,
role,
DB unique name. Yeah. That's for the standby database.
Other systems set archive log destination data. Other system. Other system.
That's processes.
Oh, did not copy.
Can you hold on? Can I hold on, please? Don't press enter. I want to see if this is. Server. Underscore server. Okay.
What does that file mean? File underscore server.
I don't know. They're all parameters that I don't know.
Remember, the file server is like on the client, those switch over is file. Let me explain it. It's like file server. We do have also file clients on both of the database. One is one on one side of the standby, and the file over.
This one, can you just wait a second?
Let's check on my
DB file name. Can you wait? You're going too fast without really reading the commands.
Okay. I thought I were in a hurry.
No, but we're trying to make sure, because I'm also checking on this P file, so
Okay.
make sure that we DB file name convert. Okay, I can see it.
The people that develop this
file
technology.
client is on primary database. File server is on standby. It's those process. It's the process.
It's a process. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Bibish. This file, DB file name convert, is it not the file system?
I think so. But my thing now is like, is it supposed to have the DB unique name, or like what is it supposed to have?
Let me see. They say the DB file name convert.
Yeah.
And they say it's required if the standby.
No, we know what it is, but like we want to know if the format is the right format. The way it is.
Is it DB or setlog underscore file underscore name underscore convert? Is a critical parameter.
What is it? What is the part to view this parameter?
It's log. Say it again, Haniela.
What is the path to view this parameter? I think I have to show.
I don't know. Is it click everywhere? I don't know.
Show
Too much noise.
Okay, I guess just leave it like that, and then if it doesn't work, I guess we can always come and change it. Change the p-file. Log file name convert.
What does the command you're putting in the middle of what does it mean? When you put Safari and Safari SID, what does it mean?
It's converting between the two databases.
So does it mean that before that it is Safari and you're changing to Safari SID?
STB. STB standby.
When we was doing
cloning.
After system set log file. Can you hold on for a second? Log file and convert. Okay, his p-file doesn't even have all the file stuff. Okay, that's fine. It's okay.
Continue.
Yeah.
This thing is too long.
I hate using scripts like this. Standby file.
Create p file.
What does it mean to set the standby file management to automatic?
It says this compose, I don't know. Can you scroll so we can read what it says? This composes
This ensures that whatever is done in the primary gets replicated in the standby. Now,
create p-file. Wait now, read the command and see what it does.
I'm ready.
Hold on, because see, we already have this p-file.
And the path.
We will need this to mount the DB in standby.
And the part of that p-file.
Yeah, I think
please
that
don't
really
copy like that. I beg, don't.
It wasn't the same. Just created p-file from the SP file.
Yeah,
I don't think it is not the same thing. This is not Oracle_home. This is home.
Exactly.
Okay. If you create like this p-file can be located on home Oracle.
And your first p-file, the p-file you created, first of all, it is not even in this location.
Mm-hmm.
So what are you trying to do?
I think we should change this part.
So the other one, we didn't follow the path. We just created
so it is not even in that location.
So we can just create p-file from p-file from SP file again, right?
Yeah,
but my thing is we're already using the p-file, so why is it still asking us to do that?
Apparently, it just wants us to change the location and put it to home.
I don't think so. To do what in home? I don't think we need.
The other one was home too, but we didn't follow the.
I think that if the other one was home, then we didn't follow the instruction, and I guess I probably read it like Oracle home, but this is not Oracle home.
Exactly. So you just need to create a p-file from SP file.
Except you guys want us to put it in the Oracle home.
We don't. Just create p-file from SP file.
Yeah, I just create.
Yes.
What's different?
Because remember last time we had an issue because when Herman was trying to send the p-file to mine, he had to go from one directory to another.
Because there was in two different directories.
Yes.
Desmond, please, can you go ahead and view the page file to see if the changes have been made?
Mhm. Yes, it has.
Wait, can you go back? Can you go back? I want to say something. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now cut in it means we have to go back to the host.
You know, all these are just extra steps you're doing. This is just to view the people that you
This
just
is what I've
created,
been
that we
doing.
just did.
Okay. I'm saying, we're good. We viewed it already.
So should we like compare it?
It's gonna take forever. If you want.
What do you mean? We want to do it correctly. You want to have to do this from scratch again?
Let me view it. No problem.
We want to compare with which one?
The people that we just have right now. Because can you mute yourself?
Who is it?
Oh no. I guess it's not going to look exactly the same because this is 11G.
You just have to view the parameters that change. So go all the way down. As from your local listener, can you go on the listener on the script?
Oh, I am. Okay.
Do you have that for client? The for client and the for server?
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah, but look, his false client looks different than the one that we have.
Yeah. File server indicates Safari STB. File server indicates Safari.
Yeah, and also the config. I don't know. I think we should leave it like this for. Yeah, because like when I'm looking at his P file,
config, are you guys sure it's what it's supposed to be?
I think so. Because if you
I mean,
look
the
at
log
the
archives configuration, config or the.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Yeah,
I don't want to talk here. It's too much noise.
Archive configuration. Is it
Who is
config or
who is making this?
Who has bought the computer and the thing?
The phone. Someone had the phone and the computer together.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Somebody can check just to.
Okay, it looks like it's fine now. But yeah, like of course from the P file that he sent, if you look at it, you see that the first one is going to be the database name, and the other one is the DB unique name for the the standby database. And that's the same for also the P file on the standby. So I think that one is good. Anyways, these are things that we can just put down, and then if the thing doesn't work, we can always come and change it back. Okay, can we just continue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right?
Let's move on.
Okay.
Because if it doesn't work, then I guess we know that.
Transfer the
we
SP
should
file and
come back.
password file to standby site. This needed to mount.
Oh, this is where we stopped last time, right?
And for remote authentication.
Yeah.
Copy the password file from the primary Oracle home and rename it to standby database name. Username is required to be 6 and the password needs to be the same. Best practices for this is to copy the password file. So just set the password file. Name must match the instance name SID used at the standby site. Not the name, not the DB name. You must match the instance name SID. SCP that. SCP copy init.
So now we need the other person's phone number. Actually, hold on. I didn't edit my script, so hold on. I'm gonna tell you what to write.
Oh. Okay, so I need to open it.
So first, okay, yeah, you were in that directory, so. What was that command again?
The command to do what?
To transfer it to another database. Oh Lord.
It's not easier. Copy init Oracle.
No, that's not it. Right.
CD.
I think it's SCP. Are you guys hearing me?
SCP.
SCP.
Yeah, we do have it. It's
No,
there
wait.
one. It's not there one. That one. Initsafari.org.
Yes, but it's different. Why is Eman? Eman, did you save that command? Oh
Okay, I know. I
have
think
it,
it's
I have it.
SCP.
I didn't.
SCP init. You put the database name .aura, aura pw. You put the database name, then you put the Oracle at student, whatever you want to put it. Then you put the path. You want to copy the P file and the password file, right?
Yes. Hold on. I think I.
Desmond.
Desmond,
Yeah.
don't cry, please.
Are
We'll
you guys
just tell
trying
you
to
people.
copy the password file and the P file to
Yes,
the other
apparently.
database?
Yes.
Then it's the SCP command.
Yeah.
SCP init database name .aura, aura pw database name, and you put the Oracle student number.
Did I make that any stupid? Yeah. Excuse me.
I thought I took this picture yesterday.
I got lost.
Where are you lost?
Oh, I know where it is. Okay.
Okay, where you? Okay, so
Okay,
you say I should.
I have it. It's SCP. Okay, and then it's gonna be init. Aura. What's the name of this database? It's Safari in capital letter. Safari.aura.
There's so many people out there that struggle with their own mental health.
Space. Aura PW. And then Safari. And then space. Oracle at student. Herman, what's your student number?
314.
834. Student 314. And then you put the semicolon. No, not that. Actually, the 2 dots. No, 2 dots. And then slash Aura data slash U01 slash APB. What is my, I want to see my path. 1 second. Can you go to my WinSCP and see my path? Those numbers, I kind of have them mixed up. Okay, it's 12. No, you got it. It's fine. It's 12.1.0.1. Okay, you can go back.
Oh.
So 12.1.0.1.
Already, I don't see product. Wait.
Oh yeah, do product. Sorry.
But on my side is different. On my side is 12.1.0.2.
Oh man.
Remember.
Is it gonna work that way?
On 1.
It doesn't matter, by the way.
It doesn't?
I don't think so.
No.
Okay.
So let's go.
Just backspace. What are you trying to do? It's not gonna work that way. Oh,
Yeesh. Oh man.
Yes. Yes.
What did you do? No, hold on. He didn't.
Listen,
No.
can
Go back. Go back.
be established.
You didn't. Why
Go
did
back.
you press enter?
You didn't copy.
You don't
No,
even
They
have-
didn't
you don't
finish
even
the
have-
you didn't
script,
finish.
the
Yeah,
pack.
no. I didn't press enter. I just and it
Do
gave me
control
this.
Do
C.
no. All right, try again. Just copy and then you add
You're not gonna work.
slash
You're not gonna.
it's 12.0. No, it's Oracle.
12.1.
Oracle, right?
Good.
Just go. I guess your winner is
Oracle
right there.
product.
Or data slash user slash
Oracle
pp slash oracle slash product
slash
slash
12.1.0.1.
12.1.0. Wait. What's your location? Is 1 or 2?
Mine is 2.
Okay, then it has to be 2. Yeah. And then slash DBS.
That's constantly init safari.aura or safari oracle add student to be
It is
14.
GB1
No.
before DBS.
Hold on.
It's
Yeah, we have
GB1 before
DB underscore
DBS.
1.
Shit.
No.
It is it not the part for the
12.1.0.1
Point two.
That's one. Point 2.
Point 2 slash
DB underscore 1.
Slash DBS.
DBS.
I think that's it, right?
Yeah. Please, can you copy that command and put it on my script, please? When you're done.
Now I put yes, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now it's gonna ask you for the password.
Class 26.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's copied.
Okay, now you have, I think you have to connect to his database.
You want me to? I should replace it here, right?
No, just don't replace it. Just put it on top, on the bottom. Yeah, thank you. Control V. Thank you so much. Could you save, please? Thank you.
Very good. Okay. So now, what's the next thing? Also,
Require parameter and make sure to
set standard database initialization parameters.
Okay, so now you have to go to the you have to open another pulling.
Open the standby.
Say new session. Student 314.
314.
Yes.
Login as Oracle 36. I guess I have to set the bash profile too, right? Is 12C capital letter or?
I think it's capital letter.
I mean, for Emma, I don't know what he used. Let me go with that. It's not. So we are there now. So what do I do now?
Now you go to your script, or you set your
Cut your P5.
environment. Okay.
So I'm setting which environment?
Cut your
Safari.
P5. You don't need to do that.
Oh, okay. At the center, let me go to the P5. Okay.
I think you should just.
I have to see it first.
I think you should edit it on WinSCPs. I don't know.
Do we have to edit it? It's just asking us to view it.
I think there's some things you have to change there. That's the P file.
Yeah,
You have to change the DB unique name.
Create a required directories.
You have to change DB unique name. You have to. What else you have to change?
It's a cut in it. And if you say we have to change, nice, man. How do I create a new one?
Hold on. Before you do that, can you like quickly just open the P file? No, on this WinSCP.
Okay.
And I guess you can move it to the side. And maybe if you can open, I'm trying to compare it like with what we have here.
Okay.
What the prof had on his thing.
What do you want me to do? You want me to open to enlarge it or what?
It's fine. It's okay. It's okay. You can close it.
Okay,
Hold on, don't close it. Hey,
done.
just open the phone. Let me take a picture. Okay, you can close it now.
Okay.
Okay, so now you want to create a new session on here.
Where do I create?
Or are you
session?
comfortable with VI?
No, not at all. Where do I create a new session? Do I just need to
Okay,
close
you
this?
can. I guess you can. You might have to close this.
Maybe I can just do VNSCP. Oh no. I
Okay,
mean,
close this. It's fine. You can open it later.
I can just open a new one.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna open.
Just go ahead.
This is taking forever. Desmond, just go on your put it and do that.
How's that? Okay. Let me go and put it.
You cannot cut without seeding the Oracle Home/CBS.
Yeah.
You have to see on the location.
Dollar Oracle Home. You need to CD to dollar Oracle Home/CBS.
CD,
I cannot just cut like that.
CD. If you
That's
can,
still
Now,
if,
okay, try.
even if I cut it, should work still anyway.
To see.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you want to cut or you want to you want to edit it? You don't need to cut it. You want to edit.
Oracle Home/DBS right now. Let's try it.
Slash
Slash. What was that name of? What's the
init
name of that?
init
Okay.
safari.org.
This is a card. DBS is heard about.
You want to edit it. You don't need to do cut.
Yeah.
VI.
You need to go to your directory and then you VI it.
Not really. You can just do it from here.
TP unique.
This is all your P file. That means that the changes did not take place. Oh, I'm the one who's not saying it correctly. Absolutely. It means that it did not copy.
No, it did. It did.
So just go
That's
ahead.
it there. File client,
Yeah.
file server. This is it. Yeah. It did.
Okay.
Log archive. There's log archive. All those things. It did.
Okay.
So what you want to change here is the DB unique name to Safari STD. STD.
DB underscore name. DB unique name to Safari.
Safari SCB. That's what you want to change. And also, let's see. Hold on. What else do you have to change there?
Takisa. David,
Yes,
are you guys understanding what is going on?
I'm confused for something you did right now.
Which
I
one?
want to know the difference between like Oracle.Safari, Oracle.Safari, and Oracle.Student name. Because
Aura.safari.
yes,
You're talking about the password file or the...
yes.
So I think also like
Okay, this one can...
the log archive desk too.
This one, can
I
you go
think
all
it's
the way up?
empty. It's supposed to be empty.
I'm looking for the Aura he's talking about. Can you go on Anita's server on the other body? When you had the password files.
Password file is right. What do you
This is it, yeah.
right there?
What do you want to know again?
Okay. Is
Or
it this one you're talking about? The
which one? You see where is the cursor?
Aura PWS.
Oracle.
Vani, Fatulavi.
But right now is Oracle.Student61. What's the difference between this one, Oracle, and Oracle?
Oh, that was to copy from one server
Okay.
to another server.
No. Okay.
The
From
first one
the first
is
step,
the primary database, and the second
we
one is the
copy the
standby.
database, or we copy the student name.
No, you're copying the P file and the
The
password
file,
file.
password file.
So you're copying it from the primary database to the standby database. That's the reason why you'd see the Oracle at student 314. 314 as for the as in the standby database. So we're just trying to copy it from one place to another.
But when I check the script we have, when we copy it is what Oracle.database.
Oracle.database.
That script is 11G. We're doing on 12C, so it's going to be slightly different.
Exactly. We just take the script to see the path, and we're gonna change the script from 11 to 12.
Okay. Thank you.
Sakisa, no problem. Sakisa is not even there.
No, I'm there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think
Sakisa,
you have to delete on the other side. You have to delete the log archive desk too. So you want to take that out completely. Not completely, but still.
The log archive desk.
Two, yes.
Log archive. Okay. Which one? The second
not
one?
That one, not that one. It's
this one.
It's desk. That's not it.
The one
yeah, the second location.
But this is where the log archive desk start. Desk one, desk two.
Actually, you know what? For now, I think just leave it like that for now. Yeah, just leave it like that for now. But
Shall I save?
But from the script that I have, well, from what his server was saying, the log archive desk 2 service is like it's completely out.
I'm recording, but I don't know if I can learn it or not.
Should I save?
Yeah.
Okay, just save and continue.
Let me try to listen to this guys.
Very good. Jolly Posh.
Now you have to edit this one.
Create directories.
We don't want the name of the database is Safari. It's not STD.
Oh, okay. These directories were really not existing. No, it was existing in your server, not in his.
But is it not existing though? Because he created this database. So it should exist, right?
He created this database on his own part, on his own. Are you sure?
So I noticed that when you create the database with the DBC, you have to create P file from SP file to have the P file.
Yes, but this other or a data slash Safari.
This one you can just go ahead and CD those directories to see if it's existing.
It is in his server. I don't know if he created his directories in his server.
So
I'm not
just
sure.
CD the location, CD or a data slash.
One of the boys will have to take over very, very soon. Let me just one of those boys. This thing. Oh. I did not copy.
Okay, you have the ADOM.
It does exist. I guess it is
That's
existing
so weird.
because
Why is it asking us to create it?
I guess it is existing because you worked on it
You have
yesterday,
that
right?
one. Obviously,
I at the end. I at the end.
Ah, okay.
Desmond, you're really tired. See what you even did over there. You didn't put the CD.
I didn't put the CD.
And you are actually on your
On the screen,
file.
you add S to Safari.
This one, you are on your ADOM. Go back to Oracle Home.
It's okay if you see this.
If I am seeding from if I'm seeding from the Oracle Home, there should be no problem now. From root.
Enter.
No such file directory exists.
You are on your ADOM. So that
No,
means you're
once I
seeding
start from the root,
inside
once I start from the
ADOM.
root, there should be no problem. Do you understand what I'm saying?
But here we are not on the root.
Understand.
Okay.
No,
On
look,
my
I have done
directory.
CD root for a data. I have done CD root. I started a part from the
You know
very.
what? Honestly, I feel like just create them and then just create them, and then if it says that if it doesn't say anything, that means that it already exists. To save time. Okay, so that already exists.
It exists. You were on your ADOM. This ADOM.
It's Safari, not Safaris. The last one too.
I had all those directories.
Why you do that on Adam?
Of the following on Aura
Because
tab.
he did the seed in the beginning and he went to that location.
Where is that Aura tab again?
Aura tab is etc/Aura tab.
Please don't add it all. Please don't add this because this is 11G that you're copying here.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
So let me just do see.
You know
Let's
what?
look at it.
Why don't you go to your Aura tab and just look at the format that he has
Yeah,
there?
that's what I
And
want
then
to do
just
now.
come and replace it here. Or you can just sit it.
See this?
Etsy.
Slash Aura tab,
No,
right?
no, remove that E. C. Etsy.
Just,
No.
Yes.
Aura tab is the name of the file, right? So
No, it is etc/Aura tab. That's what you have to put.
I'm asking if Aura tab is the name of the file or is a directory or a file?
It is a directory.
No,
Or
it's a file.
It's a file.
Aura tab is a file.
Yeah.
Okay.
So VI.
Miss Personal. Okay. So oh, it looks like it's the same.
But that one is
the same.
11G.
11.
No,
This is 11G. This is
part
11.
is the part from 11G.
This is 11G.
Why is it 11G?
Yes, it's 11G.
The directories remain the same.
Are you sure, Desmond?
So we are working on 11G?
I think
No.
it's a different. I think you didn't CD the right place. It has to. You have to CD starting with Aura data / U01. Because if you go to my WinSCP and you check, the path for the 12C starts from Aura data and /Aura data / U01.
Desmond, do
Okay, so I go to CD.
/etc /Aura data /etc.
/U01.
/U01.
Can you just go to
etc is not U01.
It's not going to be there. Can you go to the WinSCP and check the path?
Yeah, I could actually close this WinSCP.
No, just go to my WinSCP and check. It should be the same.
Let me check out something a little bit, please.
This is the path for his 11G.
You leave from root to etc and from root to U01. So if it is /Aura data, that means it's CD /Aura data /etc. I don't think there's any U01 there.
U01. Go to U01.
No, it cannot
And
be
then
any.
APP. The path is really long. Oracle.
Cannot
and
be.
then I know it's there. I've already seen it here. So go to product.
I go where?
Product.
Oh.
That. Yeah, that. Is there can you go down? Is there Etsy here?
No, apparently no.
Okay, can you go down for a second? Because I know my other databases for 12G, they are not in the same location.
No, the thing is the Aura tab.
Okay, or Etsy is in Aura
I think
tab.
it's network first.
Okay, so go back, network, go to network. Admin.
This is not a TNS name. This is
I'm going to tell people something. This thing can never,
Yeah,
ever
just
find
Okay,
itself in
play
this
it
give me
direction.
remote
keep it
control. I
fixed.
know what I'm talking about. If you want,
Okay.
go check in my usual Aura tab. You're not going to see my 12C databases there.
Okay. Okay. I've given you a remote.
Okay. Thank you.
The call. Thank you.
I don't remember where I saw it, but I know it's not.
You have HTC
Here's
there.
my Etsy, but it's not. My 11G stuff is not here.
Just open a little bit or a tab here. Let us see.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Oh, it is here.
It is there. I told you.
No, but I know there's another place that lists, because in my Econ, I have other databases. And it shows.
We haven't created a database yet in his.
So he doesn't have any 12C databases?
Wow.
You have?
You have 12C and 11G right here.
Do you have any 12C databases, man?
Sure. I have like 4 database for FC.
And your 12C database don't have any other tab, and I don't know how is it possible. So this one, please go back and edit that other tab.
Oh, I'm trying to open his file.
Okay.
Yes.
It's right here. Why was it not showing there?
Let's open it again. Check out something.
This is so weird.
I mean, I think it's no big deal because sometimes even when you open your PFI on SQL Plus, it doesn't show you anything. You want to edit, so you have to be.
Okay, so when you cut, it shows. Maybe, I guess he probably didn't go.
Oh, okay, okay. Maybe we didn't scroll down.
Yeah.
So we saw just this first 2 up and thought
No.
it wasn't there.
Oh, no.
Exactly.
It doesn't
No.
show here.
Oh, that's strange, huh?
Anywho, so what are we adding?
I think we were adding Safari, and it seems it already exists.
Oh, it's already there. Were we supposed to create this database on the other side? I feel like we were not supposed to create it on the other side.
I don't think we are supposed to create it on the other side, except he created it already, but I don't think so.
Yeah,
That
that's
is
what I was thinking. I don't think he was supposed to create it on the
that
other
is why we have all those log file name converts. It helps us with the creation, literally, with the cloning or whatever.
Yeah.
What now? Oh Lord.
Let him
So,
uninstall it or what?
so should we just go ahead and delete it again, or?
If you delete, trust me, you need to start everything all over.
Not all over, maybe just from the part of the P file.
When it is the same thing like when you try to clone a database and the database creates and you did something wrong, you go and delete it. If you want, for example, the archive and the P, they will tell you that it is not there. Some files are not corresponding, like this, an error that I remember I had that error because I did not delete everything. I just started from where I left. It is like you're cloning.
But
So there's a
that's what
lot
I'm
of
saying.
stuff that
Right
if you don't
now,
delete,
the only thing that we have done is transferred on this database. The only thing we've done is transfer the P file and the password file.
Yes, that's
So,
literally the only thing we have done. So if we can use another person's server, we'll just rather than deleting and everything. We can just use another server.
That's another possibility, Desmond.
And just do it from there.
all right, so what do we do? Go ahead and delete this, or?
I think who wants to use their server? Somebody that has not created that database yet.
I know.
anyone connected with a computer, just
We
I
don't
mean,
even
we
need the
don't
computer,
even
honestly. We
need
just need the
computer, we
server.
just need the data. You can use my server.
You have space?
I don't think so.
Okay, so that's another issue.
It says space for what?
To create the
To create a database.
Try with mine. I don't know if I do have space. I try. I don't know. Just try. 360.
Okay. 360.
No, 60.
Hi, Corinne. Is she even there?
Yes.
Corinne,
Yeah.
are you understanding what we're doing?
Not really.
Where
I'm
are
lost a
you?
little bit.
Where?
Huh?
Yeah. I'm confused, Renata. You know, I didn't see the last video yet. That's why I'm trying to do both.
No, you don't. The last video for the class,
Yeah.
I think he did not even explain it. It's actually a project, so he won't show you how to do it. You need to find out yourself. So don't worry about the video. Yesterday we did not do any single important thing. So you just need to focus on what we're doing and
So
understand.
you can understand.
Yeah.
Okay, so Bibish.
That's 26.
Do we have the same? I guess that doesn't matter, right?
Password?
The path for the equal, the database is compatible.
I don't think so.
What am I doing? DS is minus H. Oh, you do have space.
I'm good. I delete some.
Okay, so hi. So I guess what we need to do is just, we're going to continue start from here.
Yep.
Look at where I'm going. I should be here. I should be here. Did it work? Yeah, it worked. Okay. All right, fine. Okay, so now I want a VI. Okay. Okay, it didn't work. Why did it not work? Oh, I think you said your thing is different.
Yeah.
It's DB.1, right?
Yes, it's 1210. No. And 2. After 1, after 0 is 2.
Oh, it's 2, it's the same. So it's 12.1.0.
I don't know. Did you check my version?
I don't think it's version, it's the path that we're looking at.
No, I said you are looking for that 12 something, right?
Yeah.
We do have class tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, who is not gonna be there on Saturday?
I
You
might
have
not
party
be
on
there.
Sunday?
On Saturday.
I will be there.
Oh, you are talking about Sunday?
Saturday, our normal classes on Saturday.
We do have a party on Saturday.
I'm not sure for that Saturday.
Renata, we
Okay.
do have a party. There's no
Okay. Do you guys want to work on Sunday or Friday or I mean I'm talking because of the presentation parce que à cette allure-ci, I don't know where we're going to.
Si ça ne marche pas, on lui dit qu'on n'a pas encore fini notre project.
The problem is not us finishing. The problem is us moving with our class. If we don't finish it, we are taking in another week that we might have started another year. And if the morning class did it and promise he's not gonna wait for us to, so it is at our disadvantage. So is there a way we can push our class to either Friday or Sunday? Because on Friday we just have 1 hour. Our class is just 1 hour. So it's either we push it on
Friday.
On Friday or on Sunday.
Sunday.
Because even if
It's
we
better
finish
on Friday after the 1 hour.
After the 1 hour.
Yeah, we can go over. Yeah.
Okay.
After 1
Yeah.
hour, we can move on.
Okay, that's fine then.
Sunday morning.
Sunday morning.
When? Sunday? Tomorrow, right? Okay, good.
Because it's almost 9, maybe we can go over 10. I don't know, but
The problem is that we might finish even if we finish it today, it's gonna be good. But for the ones presenting, I know most of us not even on. As for me, I don't even understand what you guys are doing. So we might do it even 2 times.
I'm looking to beg somebody if that person can come and try to explain everything over. I don't know.
Please, when you see that person, just contact me too, because I want somebody to explain to me.
Because you,
What are you looking for, Anita?
What am I looking for? I'm editing the P file for the standby database.
Oh.
Let me take some coffee.
This is too confusing for
it's
me.
serious now. Let me take my beer.
Okay,
I'm
so
coming.
you guys said tomorrow after the class, you're having another class. Don't forget, I'll text you guys.
Yeah, after class we are there. We'll be there.
Anyway, I will not even end the meeting in class, so you
Yeah,
guys
so we will stay there.
The other people will stay.
Especially, yeah, we can work together. If they need
Yes.
it, they can stay. So they can help us.
So, yeah.
You know, by explaining you can, but by troubleshooting is another issue.
I know.
Oh, you have to understand everything.
But for real, I don't understand this thing.
I am not understanding it. I hate working with scripts like this. Is just something.
Just copy and paste. You don't even
Copy
know
and
that you
paste.
copy
You don't
and
know what you're
No.
doing.
So now they say
This
create
thing.
required directory on standby. Those are the directory. You can read there.
Yes, but why are you creating?
Why am I creating
Why are you
this? That's the
putting?
thing.
Why are you creating, when you want to clone a database, don't you have to create the directories?
Okay.
So as
what
we
is the
did it
use
on the
of the
primary,
archive? The
we didn't
archive
supposed to do
directory
that. That's why we are doing it on the standby now.
You say what?
I say we did it in the beginning, in the primary. So we didn't supposed to do it there, right?
The primary, we didn't do it. It already had it.
But you remember that we did it first.
We created this one because we didn't have this one, the archive, whatever this is, this directory. That's the only directory that we created. But all these other ones, they come as you create a database.
Am I dreaming? I saw this.
No, I mean we were trying to create it on the on Emma's server.
That is what I'm asking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we did not have to because we already created the database.
Create SP file from standby. From standby. Create SP file from P4. Can I do it as the database is idle? Once a new parameter is ready, we create from it. Oh, okay, this is it. Oh, shoot. I'm supposed to start off now. Okay, so should I just shut down abort? Because oh, it's not even. Let's see. Step amount. Okay. Local listener. Okay. We need to go to the listener. So this local listener, that is supposed to be your listener right now, or is it supposed to be my listener?
Are you asking me?
Yes, I'm asking everyone, because this is the error is giving me that is the print is with the parameter local listener. So I was just wondering, like, here, do I have to specify the name of the listener?
Let me see. Listener underscore Safari. Did you check? This is your P5, right?
Yes, this is the one I'm supposed to put in yours.
Let me see my.
That means I have to change mine too. Let me see.
So people are sleeping or let me see.
I believe in the beginning we had. Wait, let me see. Is it the same error you had the last time?
Is it? How do you even check the listener name here? I guess I can go to the listener, right?
Not NSP.
It's gonna tell me the name of the listener.
Wait. It's not gonna tell you. I don't think.
So can I go to your listener here? I think
Yes, yeah.
Wow, what's the path for the listener again? Is it that name? No. What network? And it's just listener, that's the name.
I just see that one. I don't know if I did it, maybe. But you can, it's the name listener, I don't know.
Just show me the error again, please.
So it's saying that this parameter
It's
is
syntax.
wrong. No, it's not the syntax, it's the parameter. Like, I don't think you have a listener called that name. So you see local, it says here, the parameter invalid specification of the local parameter local listener, which is where this one right here.
Can you go on your $oracle/net $oracle_home network/admin?
Okay. You say network. Oh, is it this one, listener BB, you think?
Which listener with that database?
Yes.
That one is my new database, yes.
Yes, I think it's this one.
Yeah, it's that one. It's the new database.
Let's try. Let us try. Will I have to bounce the listener?
Right.
Do I have to add this in the TNS names as well? Okay, let's try this again. Yay. Okay, now. Now create this one for this.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
supposed to
yeah,
say that.
good. Yeah, good. It's a standby. Cap, cap.
Show parameter p-file. Okay, so configure the TNS entries. All right. So, okay, so what am I supposed to do? Why do we have two here? Okay, I'll just copy this stuff. Mm.
That MCAN also.
You have two student numbers.
No, that one is for Yvonne.
Oh,
I did it with Yvonne.
okay. Okay, what am I doing now? You also have to so I have to configure two of them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do I need this thing here?
I hope so. Pit bull puppy.
I don't think I need
It was gentle baby. They would just come and start running around, licking them all over and showing them how to drink out of a water bowl and stuff like that. So I can only imagine that they kind of looked up to him like he was their mom.
Listener CTL stop. Listener CTL
Start.
start.
It says support no service.
Yeah.
I think yes, it's correct. It's correct. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Listener CTL. They say it takes some time, right? Okay. Says one instance. Is this supposed to be blocked?
I still like one ready, one block. Which one is blocked? It's Safari.
Okay, let me try that again. I think it's okay. I don't know.
I'm trying to follow the path to here.
Oh, I wish I put more pictures yesterday. Okie dokie.
Yes, Mrs.
All right, I don't know if we did it right.
The problem is like we don't work together. So let's see together. Where are some people?
No, let me try to move forward and see if it doesn't work.
We can just return that it doesn't work on listener, right? One Safari status blocked. So let's see.
Yeah.
Use parameter. TNS ping Safari, you did.
Configure TNS entries on standby.
So who's the standby?
But that was the standby, right? That's what we were doing. He said configure this one.
That's why what Safari one Safari is
well, I think it should be the same though. I don't know.
Let's see.
Let me try to compare these two entries. So this is a primary. It has Safari, Safari, and then the other one.
I don't see they just put Safari too. It's supposed to
Yeah,
be
it's the same thing.
It's supposed to be STB.
Not really, no.
But it's the same name.
Yeah, it's the same name. Okay, let me see if my what's the location again? CD.
Who put me the host? Renalda.
I'm the one.
Renalda, don't disappear. Don't disappear, Renalda. Data guard. It's a project.
What did I do? Oh, come on.
You are checking your list now, right?
Yeah. So CD.
Yeah, I have to leave you guys. I believe we'll continue. I'll continue with you guys tomorrow. So if you guys want to stay and troubleshoot that, okay, maybe she's the host now. So see you guys tomorrow. If you succeed, please tell in the group. Okay, you guys have a good night. Anita, take it easy.
Okay.
Are you serious?
Renata, I can't take it easy.
See me, I don't like using this thing, man. I really don't.
The problem is because we have to explain everything is a configuration. So that's why we don't really get it. We can explain, but we don't know when is to pass the command. What does it really mean? So the problem is there.
All right, I'm going to log out of this and just open my own. Actually, let me first copy this. Network.
Anita, qu'est-ce que tu cherches à faire maintenant?
I am trying to edit my TNS names. In here. It's already edited.
Do have it twice answer.
Yeah, I think it doesn't matter. I'll just leave it there. Because this one has the UR minus A.
No, the other one up.
This one is for my database. This one is for the other database.
I'm just like.
Yeah, the port and the host is different.
Oh.
I'm wondering, like, try to.
Oh yeah, the number is
think
different.
about my golden gate. I don't know if it's going to mess up everything there. I just remember now.
Why is it still showing me this?
That one is yours, right? TLS DMO.
Yeah, I think I probably need to. Man. I think I probably.
Anita, you still have ethic.
What?
Ethic, database ethic.
I don't actually.
I saw that over there.
Yeah, whatever. I don't know why. I think I have to go and edit my P file. Because remember we changed the listener. What's the name of my listener even? Oh gosh. Listener Safari. Okay, cool. Stop. Take some time. Okay, ma'am, can you turn these things off and go to bed? Do I always have to ask you to close the curtains? Do I have to ask you to close the curtains every time? Oh. So this script is only for configuration. It's only for configuration. There's more.
Yeah, my notes told you is 24 pages, right? Mine.
Oh, we're more than halfway. Okay.
It's almost done.
Yeah. I guess now the challenge is actually having these things listen to each other. Why is this so?
So for the presentation, we have to do this.
Yeah.
So the presentation is not only the speech, we need to practice also.
Yes.
What do you mean by only? Is the practice, right?
Mm-hmm.
Everything is practice. Sakisa. There's nothing to write or to read.
That's that is a headache, man.
So after this configuration, you have now to duplicate, switch from this performance to another one. Oh, we have another configuration, the broker. Oh, not plan.
What am I doing? Oh my gosh. What am I doing? Oh my goodness.
They say you learn by making mistakes. How? Come back again.
And then,
what do you try to do?
I'm trying to see the listener.
LNCRT.
It's saying that it's not reading anything.
Say no service. Try to stop it and try
to. You stop it, right?
Yeah, I already did all that. That's why I'm just like, what's going on?
But if you stop it, does he have to read again?
It should. Let's see, listener.
I don't see Sonita. When you stop it, you can read again. You need to start.
No, but I did start it already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I started it. Okay. It's already been started. Ay. Or should I change this? I don't know. Okay, so what do we do? Because I do not know the thing. Parameter file. Not file. Mhm. Okay. This section. That's excellent.
Ça a bloqué
It's
tout le monde, ce truc-là.
supposed to be reading.
It's just blocking every group on listener, even Yvonne group is there.
Yeah, it's supposed to be listening to this one, not this one, not that one. I don't know how I can make it listen to this one.
Do you check the name?
The name on, because this is my listener for but I feel like it shouldn't really matter which listener either.
Go.
I feel like it should not matter which listener.
Yes, let's try it. Go. Let's move forward so we can see.
Can you even open this one? I can't read these, right? This one. Okay. And I don't even see anything. What is this saying?
Morning.
All this October 1st, October 1st, October 1st, October 1st. Okay. September 30th. What happened? I didn't even work on my database yesterday. Wow. Okay, guys, I'm tired.
So can we show it to Galton tomorrow?
Yes, I think so. So he can, yeah, so he can tell us what.
We can go, we can start from there, right?
Yeah, because like
the listener.
Anita, maybe take the picture for this part.
To do
Oh,
what? I think we will be able to share our screen, right?
mhm.
I think so. Okay, let me just take picture now.
We are trying.
That is okay.
To become that DBA is a lot of
C'est trop.
kind of school is this?
So how many people? They stop the Zoom?
Hmm?
Oh, I see like 2 people left already. Who?
Only
Oh,
begin.
Herman.
No, the Emma doesn't waste his time.
Mm-hmm.
He doesn't understand. He just goes. This is too much. Even those who are there, who remember, what do they do?
People, even Paul, he blocked on that stage.
Oh,
Yeah.
for
One group.
one group,
Mm-hmm.
they block on the stage, the listener.
Mm. It's not, you know, those people, they can troubleshoot a lot, but if you see them stuck on one, this data guard, it's not easy.
Okay.
I don't know. They can explain, you don't understand, but doing that is not easy.
Okay, guys, see you.
Hey, good night.
Good night.
Okay. So what you guys think? We have to end the meeting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.